Yeah, that's right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Hi guys, it's Justin here from Pause Relax, and here we have the lovely Kingston visiting us from RSPCA. So we're going to do a little bit of training with Mr. Kingston. First of all, I've got some yummy food here for him, and I'm going to ask Kingston for a sit. Hey Kingston, how you doing? Sit. Yes, good boy. Very nice. Sit. Yes, good boy. Sit. Very nice. Yes, good boy. Sit. Yes, as you can see, Kingston likes to jump up a little bit. So anytime he jumps up, I'm just moving myself to the side, getting him back into that sit. Kingston, sit. Yes, good job. Very nice. Now you probably noticed there's a little bit snatched on the treats there, so we're going to teach him to be a little bit nicer on the treats as well. Gentle. Yes, good boy. Good dog. Sit. Gentle. Yes, good man. Kingston, sit. Yes. Gentle. Sit. Kingston, sit. Yes, good boy. Very nice. Yes, good boy. Kingston, come. Kingston, sit. Kingston, sit. Yes, good man. Very good. Kingston, come. Sit. Good dog. Now, because he's a little bit excitable, sit. So I'm trying to ask him for a sit before he has a chance to jump up on me. Yes, good. Oh, down. Down's going to be better than a sit. Sit. Kingston, down. Good boy. Yes, good man. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Kingston, sit. Down. Yes, very nice. Yes, good boy. Down. Very good. Kingston, sit. Down. Stand. Sit. Stand. Down. Yes, good boy. It's a lovely bow. All the way down. All the way down. Yes, good job. Very nice. Kingston, sit. Sit. Yes, good job. Very nice. Kingston, down. Very good. Good boy. Kingston, sit. Boop, boop. Sit. Kingston, down. Yes, good job. Very nice. So he's picking this stuff up really quickly. Kingston, come here. Sit. Down. Yes, good boy. Kingston, free. Off you go. Good boy. And cut there.